Hey there guys, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to change background color in Notion. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So simply click the Notion app and you can choose any of this from. I'm just going to choose this task list here. And now what I'm going to do is simply click on change cover. As you can see, the background color is currently blue, and now as you can see there are many color and gradients available here, and you can also add a picture here in the background, and you can also upload your own picture if you want. But now we are just going to change the color. So I want it to look blue. Okay, I want to turn it into yellow, so simply click on yellow, and as you can see we have successfully changed the background color of Notion. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a good day.